That is in the Wiggleyville neighborhood. I'm in the top floor of a 3-flat, a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It also has a dining room. The dining room is where we're at right now. See, it has nice high ceilings. There's where we started, where I started, the front door. From the dining room, walk into the living room. It's a nice big space. These guys have a really big couch and you still got room. It's a nice ceiling fan. This faces west, so it's going to get a lot of light. This is bedroom number 1. It's the front bedroom that's above the stairs. It's a little bit bigger than normal. The landlord took the closet out of it and put the closet here up higher on the wall, which makes a lot of sense. You pick up about another 2 feet in this room. The bed that's in here looks like a queen size bed, and you still got a lot of space. Wiggleyville is straight ahead of me, about 2.5 blocks. See, it has the nice china hutch, the built-in china hutch, a lot of vintage charm. These are pocket doors here that come out. Very nice. Wood floors throughout, central heat and air conditioning, gas forced heat. There's also a washer and dryer, your private washer and dryer. There's the bathroom. It's the stone countertop there. Nice surround tile on the shower. It's a shower and tub combination. Bedroom number 2. You could probably put a king size bed in this bedroom. This guy looks like he's got a double bed and you've got a ton of room left. So the way it is a lot of times, this entire wall that you're looking at right now is closet. So what's not closet in this room is closet in the bedroom next door. The nice thing also, you have a little space between you and the next bedroom. All the bedrooms are spread out in this apartment. Here is an older pantry that they have left. It's nice storage. From here, there's a nice big eating kitchen. You can see if you wanted to. There's room here where some people put a table, they just don't have one. Cherry cabinets. Those are 42-inch uppers over there, very nice. There's a dishwasher, stove, refrigerator. This is the 3rd bedroom. This person also has a queen size bed and it's still plenty of room. It's the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but still it's livable. Outside of here is your back door. Your washer and dryer is out here. Central heat and air conditioning, gas forced heat. There's your hot water heater. It's all out here on the porch. This is yours. Each unit has it. In the back here, this comes with tandem parking spaces. I'll walk back up towards the front. And this is where we started. Nice, real good, real big dining area.